BROCHIKAS. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree right now. They never care that I'm trying to pull out of my house, man. So I'm gonna head to Dollar Tree because I have not left my house in 3 days. Like legit 3 whole days. And that's a long time for me to not leave my house. I need to get out. So my husband has been like worried about all this going on in the world, this coronavirus. I know you guys are probably sick of hearing about it. But of course, he's worried about me and the kids leaving the house. Even though we're not really like at risk, we're not a high risk. Obviously, we're at risk, but we don't have any health issues, and we also aren't over the age of, or around the age of 60. So it's a lower risk, but we're still trying to be cautious and take care of ourselves and be really safe. So the trips to the grocery store that we've had, he's gone by himself so that we don't, have to put all of us at risk. I wanted to go, but he was like, no. So I haven't left the house in 3 days. The kids haven't left the house. Well, Austin hasn't left the house in 3 days as well. But Mila hasn't left the house since her last day of school, which was Friday. And after Friday, it was spring break. Spring break is only supposed to be a week, but we just got an email from the school that they will be postponing school after spring break an additional 2 weeks, meaning the kids will be off of school till April 6th, and that's about 3 weeks at home, you guys. And we just got that message today. And this is just crazy. And I'm sorry to be adding to the craziness. I'm sorry to be adding to it by talking about it and vlogging about it. But what can I do? Like, how can I talk about anything else? It's just so, everything going on is just so insane. So, moral of the story is I needed to get out of the house and be by myself. If you're a mom, you understand it's going to be hard for us to have our kids just up our butts all day. So I'm trying to make light of the mood, and just in case everything gets shut down and we can't leave our house, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and I'm gonna find some activities, because the teachers have suggested that we still do learning stuff with them so that they don't lose everything they've learned, and being off for 3 weeks is a long time. So I gotta make sure that my daughter is like using her knowledge and using her brain and exercising her brain. So I figured I could go to Dollar Tree and get some activities and get some arts and crafts, because it's only been 3 days and we are so bored, you guys. And I know it's like, oh, first world problems, but my kids are young, so they have a lot of energy, and I wanted to take them outside to play today, but the grass was all wet and there was mud everywhere. So couldn't really do that. And I gotta keep these kids busy, man. They're tired of watching TV. I'm already tired of watching TV. I'm tired of sitting on the couch. That's why you see me, I did my nails yesterday because I was bored. I put self-tan on today. I did my makeup. I did my hair because I was just so bored and just so tired of being stuck in my house feeling like crap. So yeah, I'm excited to go out to a store. I'm gonna be very careful. I'm not gonna film while I'm in the store, but I will do a haul in this video right here. So I'll do a little Dollar Tree haul with you guys. But yeah, I will not be filming in the store. I wanna reduce the touching of my personal items in the store. And I'm gonna look around for some hand sanitizer, because we only have one little bottle of hand sanitizer, and the reason why we need it is for when my husband goes to work, or when I go to work, or when we have to go to a store. So whenever this whole craze of buying the toilet paper and the hand sanitizer happened, it was already gone by the time we got there. So we only have this one tiny little bottle. So I'll be looking for that. And yeah, that's what we're doing right now. What do you guys think of this makeup though? It's very warm. My lipstick is off. I had nicer lipstick on and it came off because I ate my lunch, but I have like very warm tone. I want it to be super tan eventually. This should match my face. But I like did my makeup really tan because I knew that my tan was developing. And I'm literally just wearing sweatpants and a t-shirt because I wanted to look cute, but I didn't want to do my whole outfit crazy because like I'm not going anywhere. But I did post some TikToks. If you guys are bored, go check out my TikTok. I'm just on there embarrassing myself, but I think it's funny, and I was just so bored and I just needed like a second of happiness. So yeah, go check it out and support me. If you want me to embarrass myself more, give me a heart. And yeah, I'm just trying to stay positive. I hope all of you guys are doing well. I think the only thing that's really stressing me out is the fact that the new thing now that Trump said is he doesn't want more than 10 people in the room at one time, and that's including the staff. And now I'm wondering if I'm gonna be able to go to work. So, because I work in a restaurant and they're closing all the restaurants now, and that you can't dine in, you can only get takeout. So I may get some hours if there's takeout, but it'll be probably very few. I'm sure they'll split it up between everybody and we can just do takeout. But the hours are going to be cut, and it's worrying me because we just bought a house. What's also worrying me is all of the economy stuff that's happening and the fact that we just bought a house. So we were kind of freaking out, trying to call our guys and say, hey, like, has anything changed? Like, I really hope nothing's changed. Is everything cool? Are we still on the right track to move in April 1st? Because, like, I need a relief. I need somebody to tell me, like, everything's fine. The money's the same. You're not going to owe anything extra. You will be closing on April 1st. I need somebody to assure me, because I just need that. Like, with all the anxiety that everybody's going through right now, I know I'm not the only one. I know other people have stressful situations. Don't get me wrong. But I just need to know, is the situation the same with my house? Because my anxiety is like through the roof. Thinking about hopefully everything's okay and we get to close on April 1st. And luckily we have our lease still for 2 months at the place we're living at right now. So it's not like we're gonna be homeless or something. But I just would feel better if we closed on April 1st like we had planned, because then we'll have something to focus on, if it's something to do, and it'll be a new house and a new place to decorate and a new place to clean and play outside, and hopefully it'll keep us busy from the fact that we're so bored from being at home for 3 weeks straight. So that's all I'm hoping for. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go because I've already been running my mouth for 8 minutes, and then I'll just show you guys what I bought from Dollar Tree once I went home and sanitized it all. Okay guys, here's my haul. This is hubby's foot. I didn't want to do a formal haul, so I'm just going to give you guys an overview. But I got this basket for Bailey's toys, our cat. I thought this was cute, and my kids were asking for this because they used to have one and they like to play house. I also got this for playing house. And I got some badminton rackets. Because sneaky, I love badminton. Whatever. I got some of these little fun disc toys. This little bunny, this Easter bunny ball shooter. Some reusable gloves for cleaning. Of course, activity books for Mila because she's going to be stuck at home. So this is all first grade stuff. I got a sketchbook. I got colored pens, pencils, and lead. And I just saw this in somebody's haul. And then I found it in my Dollar Tree, so I had to get it. I'm actually running out of soap for running out of soap in my shower. So I wanted to try this because moisturizing and it looks like it smells good. But I also got this one. I also got this bar of soap because it was limited edition and it smelled really good. It's called Vanilla Buttercream with Clove Leaf Oil. Another pack of nails. I've never had this color before, but I've tried these and they're actually really good, so I just wanted to stock up. And I'm so excited I found this, you guys. This is to clean your makeup brushes, and I hadn't seen it until today. I had to get it because I actually really need to clean my makeup brushes. There was a pineapple too, but I got the watermelon. And then we just got a bunch of snacks here for the kids. Movie night stuff. More dessert for them because I forgot dessert for them this week. Some snacks. These are so good. Peanut butter filled pretzels. Spicy peanuts. Coloring book for Austin. I got some Play-Doh for them to do. And then I got this to mix with my tequila because they're both 0 sugar.
How much tequila?
So... yes, this is the haul, you guys. Sorry, super crazy and not nicely done, but yeah, this is everything I bought.